Hi, this is Don Miller. This is my 1967 Nova. I built this a couple of years ago. I got about 3 years of my time, and looking back on it, I probably shouldn't have ever bought it. It was basically a hood, a roof, and a door panel, and that was it, and a VIN number. It was a lot of money and a lot of stuff that I could have done better with. But once you get into it, you're there. You can't quit. You got to go. That's how I ended up with this car in 3 years of my time, getting it to look like this, and let somebody else deal with it or take it to the junkyard. It was in such bad shape that there's much more better cars out there to redo. I had to pick this one, and it turned out really nice. I'm happy. This is my LS engine that I put in this car because the engine that came with the car had a block problem. I ran across a guy that was selling these LS1s with a transmission with it and all of the computers. So that's where I got this from. I had to put a Camaro intake and a Camaro oil pan in it. That's where it came from, out of a 2002 Chevy Tahoe. This is the interior of the car. There's a new floor panel. The seats were done by the guy that I bought the car from. I took it all apart, obviously, and the dash has all been taken out. I had to fabricate that part of it. It's got a vintage air system in it. Console is new. It's an aftermarket console. Headliners, it's all brand new. Windows this window is new. I'm happy with this car like it is. I don't think I'm going to try to do anything else with it. I think it would be overkill. Maybe get rid of the parking brake, and go to an electric brake. That's about the only thing on here that I don't like, is that parking brake handle sticking up there. Otherwise, I'm happy with it.